How are you guys? So today we have the two Ipsys. Yes, I did get both of them, and I'm just going to go ahead and open one of them and see what we got. So this is Ipsy, I guess, number one. I know that I ordered something from another, you know, like one of those points things. So I made sure that, yeah, we see. You know, I don't want to forget that I got something. So this is a $10 box. It comes with something outside, yay! And then I see the bag. Beautiful bag. I love it. Really nice colors. I'm wondering if the other bag is the same color. So this one is going to be, oh, it has a little heart. So let's see. In this box we have like a lot of paper. So I guess this one is in flying colors. So they have all the little people there, and it says it's Ipsy Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality. It's about unique beauty. Pride Month. A LGBTQ and rights for a decade, so we couldn't think of a better partner to help us spread the rainbow love. Nice. So the first thing I see here is Skin Longevity, Vital Power Infusion, Empower, Replenish, Renew, Fortify, Bare Minimum. Oh, nice. So what is it? Is it water? Let's see. What do you even use it for? After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. So non-comedogenic, dermatology tested, but it doesn't say what it is for. Okay, so empower, promote skin vitality, replenish, infuse with moisture, renew, reawaken look. So it's nice, something skincare related. The next thing is it says mint pear round soft blend M64. So that's it. Right there. So let's see the third thing. So we have the Pacifica Tomboy Vibe Natural Mineral Eyeshadows. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. For $10 a month, I'm already seeing things that is like more than the $10 that I pay for the. So Pacifica is a very expensive brand. And yes, I mean, I think this is broken or something. Hopefully not, because I hate exchanging something. I mean, let me see. I cannot take it out. Frustration here. Why do they put so many things? It's like, we have to open it. Do they know this? Eventually. Keeps on sticking from one side and unsticking the other. Okay. Whew. Okay, so it's not broken. Nice. It has like a little... Oh my god, it's a stock again with another one. Whoa. I'm telling you guys, today is like a day. Okay. Everything is more complicated. I don't know if you guys have those kind of days, but today I think that's one of those days. Okay, I have like, look, so many pieces of tape. It went everywhere. You can just laugh and pretend the universe is not out to get you. So those are the colors. Really, really nice. Pacifica is usually expensive, so I'm wondering how much this thing is. It's like probably like $10 already, and then the brush is like what? I don't know, but I really like it up to now. Then Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. So we have a blush. Let's see what color, because I don't like if it's, you know, brownish. I don't know, it's kind of funny. Oh, it's pink. pinkish. It has a mirror. It's a cute mirror. And look, it's pinkish. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use it on my skin tone, but what I do, if I can, sometimes I use it as eyeshadow. So always a good thing to get. And then the last thing, feels like a good box, is Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Eye Repair Cream. Smells kind of funny, but in a good way. So that's the top. I mean, it's really empty, but I mean, it's an eye cream. It says directions to use: applying small dots around the eye area and gently smooth until thoroughly absorb. Cute. So that's my first box. So I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna be doing later makeup with my 2 Ipsy boxes, but stay tuned and we will see what I get in my second Ipsy box.